Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to play YouTube videos on background in Samsung phone. So guys, if you want to play the YouTube video on your background, so just go to the Samsung browser and open up the YouTube here. Okay, after that we have an option of three lines. So just tap here and then go to settings option. So guys, on this section, just scroll down. Here we have an option of a useful features. Just tap here and then go to background play. Okay, so all you guys have to do, just tap to on option so that your background play option will be enabled. Now go back and let's see. So as you guys see, the music is still playing on the background, and when I turn off the phone, still the video is playing on the background. So that's how guys we can play a YouTube video on background in Samsung phone. By chance guys, if your Samsung phone doesn't have this feature, so don't worry, we can also use a third-party application. Just go to the Play Store and then go to search bar and write black screen. So basically this is the application and you can use this application for play YouTube music on the background. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.